Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on the development of intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. It involves the creation of algorithms and models that enable machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, make decisions, and solve problems. AI encompasses a wide range of subfields, including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and more. Machine learning, in particular, plays a significant role in AI by enabling machines to learn from large datasets and improve their performance over time without explicit programming. Natural language processing allows machines to understand and interpret human language, enabling them to communicate and interact with users in a more human-like manner. Computer vision enables machines to perceive and understand visual information, such as images and videos. AI has numerous applications across various industries. In healthcare, AI is used for medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI is employed for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. In transportation, AI powers autonomous vehicles and traffic optimization systems. AI also has implications in entertainment, gaming, customer service, and many other domains. It continues to advance rapidly, with ongoing research and development pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. While AI has the potential to bring about significant benefits, it also raises ethical and societal concerns. Issues such as bias in algorithms, privacy, and job displacement are important considerations that need to be addressed as AI technology progresses. In summary, AI is a field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. It encompasses various subfields and has applications across numerous industries, with the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. AI, or creating videos, refers to the use of artificial intelligence technology to automate and enhance the video production process. This involves utilizing AI algorithms and machine learning techniques to perform tasks such as video editing, scene detection, object recognition, and even content generation. AI-powered video creation tools can analyze and understand the content of videos, enabling them to automatically edit footage, add visual effects, enhance colors, and improve overall video quality. Additionally, AI can generate video content from scratch by combining pre-existing templates, images, and text to create unique and customized videos. This technology streamlines the video creation process, making it more efficient and accessible to a wider range of users. AI creates videos through a combination of techniques such as computer vision, machine learning, and deep learning. The process typically involves the following steps. 1. Data collection. AI systems are trained on large datasets of videos to learn patterns, styles, and visual elements. 2. Scene detection. AI algorithms analyze the video footage to identify different scenes, shots, and transitions. 3. Object recognition. AI can recognize and track objects within the video, allowing for automated editing and manipulation. 4. Content generation. AI can generate video content by combining pre-existing templates, images, and text to create unique and customized videos. 5. Video editing. AI algorithms can automatically edit videos by adjusting colors, enhancing visuals, removing unwanted elements, and adding effects. 6. Voiceover and audio. AI can generate or enhance audio elements such as voiceovers, background music, and sound effects. 7. Rendering and output. Once the video is generated and edited, AI systems can render the final output in various formats suitable for different platforms and devices. It's important to note that while AI can automate certain aspects of video creation, human input and creativity are still crucial for producing high-quality and engaging videos.